Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to unlock Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, and more without a password. Just a disclaimer, this guide is for educational purposes only. Do not use this method on devices you do not own. Unauthorized access is illegal, alright? I just want to highlight this one as much as I can. Do not use these methods on devices you do not own. Well, anyway, let's go for the step one. Use Find My Device. That should be on Google account. Works for most phones and Android, Samsung, Xiaomi, and Realme. Go to this website on google.com, Android Find on a PC or another device. Log in using your Google account linked to the locked phone. Select the device from the list and choose Erase Device to factory reset it. After reset, set the iPhone again or phone again, and you'll need your Google account credentials. Basically, reset everything. Just take note that this deletes all data from the phone. Next to Samsung, use Find My Mobile. Works for Samsung devices only. Visit this website, findmymobile.samsung.com. Log in using your Samsung account. Select your device and choose Unlock. Device must be connected to the internet for this to work out. Xiaomi, this is for Mi Cloud Unlock. Works for Xiaomi and Redmi devices. Just go to this website, sign into your Mi account, select your device, and erase device. It's the same as the one earlier in the Google. After reset, login, and basically have at it. Now, Realme. Hard reset via recovery mode works for Realme devices when Cloud Unlock is not available. Turn off your Realme phone, press and hold the power plus volume down icon simultaneously. When the logo appears, reveals the button, this works the same as iPhones, and use the keys to navigate to wipe data or factory reset. Confirm and wait for reset to complete. This will also release and delete all data on the device. Now next up, use ADB, Advanced Users Only. Works for devices with USB debugging enabled. Connect the phone to a PC via USB and open command prompt and type this one. ADB shell rm.data.system.gesture.key. Restart the device and basically the lock screen should be disabled temporarily. This requires prior setup, won't work if your USB debugging is off. Take note about that one. So next, factory reset via recovery mode for most Android phones. Power off the phone, press the volume up and power button at the same time. Use volume buttons to select web data and confirm. Again, all data will be lost. Just to round this up, the final tips for you, always back up important data regularly. Use password managers and enable smart lock or fingerprint or face unlock for your convenience. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.